Okay, here we go again. This is the original battery from Makita. As you can see, it works. This other battery is the clone battery, which is the same as that one that blew up and melted. You guys didn't see my video, but you can see the plastic, it's melted and the batteries exploded. They overheated and they melted the case. See how melted it is? And it's carbonized. So this is no good. This plastic burned and it cracked. And this battery came with that one also. It was two batteries that I got from you guys from AliExpress. And I'm gonna show you that the clone battery do not charge. They do not work. They either explode or do not work. This is an original Makita charger. And it's no good. It's not charging. It doesn't work. It detects that there's something wrong with the battery. It doesn't work. But if I grab the original battery, this is the original. This one does work. This one came with the drill. I got this from eBay. No, not eBay. I actually got it from Home Depot. This is the original battery. It starts to charge. This is a good battery. That's original. The clone batteries that you sell at AliExpress are no good. They explode and can cause a fire. This one started to make explosion sounds, and it started to create smoke in that room, and it could burn my house down.